Can I talk to you about your fitness for few seconds on the camera? क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ अपने फिटनेस के बारे में कैमरा पे? ओके। हाँ हाँ। सो सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा आपका एज क्या हुआ?
60.
60। और आप यहाँ पे रनिंग करती हैं, एक्सरसाइज करती हैं, क्या करती हैं आप?
Running.
रनिंग
I
कितना
run.
किलोमीटर रनिंग करती हैं आप?
Depend what is the training period. Training like today I did 17.5.
मैक्सिमम कितना किया आपने?
42.
42 किलोमीटर एट द एज ऑफ 60। वाओ, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल।
So
तो
we all are preparing for Ladakh.
ओके, यू
All are
पीपल कैन
running
यू कम?
Ladakh.
कैन यू
Yes.
कम?
Come,
Okay.
no?
Come on, share your experience so that people can, get
Yes,
motivation. They can
get-
also do
See,
something
we've
for
got
themselves.
others there also. They all are doing 42 full Ladakh.
Okay.
All, yes. Everybody is doing Ladakh.
So since how long you people are preparing for this marathon or?
See, I've been running for last 10 years. I started at the age of 48.
हाँ,
It's almost 6-7 years.
6-7 years.
मेरे तो 10 साल हो गए थे.
तो क्या मोटिवेट किया आप लोगों को फिटने ये अपने आप को
Just
फिट
suddenly,
रखना?
just people. For me, it was I saw people running.
हाँ
Come, Gaurav. आ जाओ. I saw people
Okay.
running.
Uh-huh.
My trainer told me to register for VDHM Airtel Delhi Half Marathon.
Mhm.
I registered
हाँ
and I saw the people over there, the
Uh-huh.
joy,
Uh-huh.
and it just took off for me. And
Uh-huh.
after that, I've been just running.
Okay.
I started with 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers,
Uh-huh.
and then till 2023, I was doing 10 kilometers.
Uh-huh.
But 2023 October, Chandigarh, first time I went,
Mhm.
I did 21 kilometers, and there I won a gold medal.
Mhm.
But Airtel also I won a gold medal, 10 kilometers.
Okay, good.
In my age category. But
Uh-huh.
then I've been doing. Abhi I just in February I did Dubai 42. I've just
Oh,
completed Dubai
nice. So
42.
what motivates you? No?
Just to keep myself fit.
Uh-huh.
I just want to be fit, and
Uh-huh.
just just keep moving and enjoying myself. Just keep.
And the feeling that we get afterwards,
Uh-huh.
that is unmatched.
Uh-huh.
And we really enjoy that, and we just get that by running, and definitely with add-on sports activity that we do.
Mm-hmm. So in this chaotic life, how do you people find out time to,
See,
run,
morning,
work out?
then
early in the
we
morning.
get up early in the morning.
Uh-huh.
Everybody,
Almost at 3:30. Yeah.
Okay.
We start.
I have a grandson.
Uh-huh.
So उसको दूध पिलाकर सब कुछ कर उसका डायपर चेंज कर and after that I left. We've come from Noida. All of us have come from Noida.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So you have family, you take care of your
Absolutely.
family also
60 साल
at
की
the
हूँ तो
age of 60 and you take
absolutely,
it.
absolutely.
Because I meet here most of the people, they say, okay, I don't work out. Why you don't work out? Because I don't get time, I have business, I have family.
I was
अब मेरी
working
जिंदगी
till
में क्या बचा है? अब तो मैं
I
60
was
में हूँ,
working
70
till
में
COVID.
हूँ.
I was working. I'm a teacher, and I was working till COVID.
Uh-huh.
And COVID, I quit. After COVID,
Uh-huh.
I quit my job.
That was sort of a gap also for workouts also in between for people.
But we were running that time also. We were doing indoors. 10 किलोमीटर घर के
But
अंदर
see,
अंदर हम कर रहे
fitness has
थे.
definitely been a part. I mean, even indoors workouts we never skipped, even during the COVID times.
We
So
never skipped.
definitely the reason is that as whole as a community, we are passionate about our fitness.
Absolutely.
So that is the
So
first
we have a
thing.
group called
Impressive.
Run with
Huh.
Preeti.
Okay.
So we are part of that group. I'm a
Uh-huh.
part of Adidas Runners also, and I'm with FUA also.
Oh.
That is fitness with Fuel Up with Anurag.
Uh-huh.
So all those groups I keep on running here. And I've been Reeti for the maximum time. Run with Reeti.
So you people are inspiration for most of the women.
Absolutely,
and
absolutely.
men.
In this chaotic life, I
Mhm.
feel people need to the kind of food we are eating, everybody's eating, especially the youngsters.
Mhm.
It is a must to
Mhm.
work out. Must.
Do you follow nutrition? Any nutrition?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for the day? Because you are in
ये
such
तो-
an amazing shape. Okay.
मतलब कि
हाँ.
वो तो खैर मैं शुरू से ही ऐसी थी.
अच्छा.
शुरू से ही आज नहीं हमेशा
हाँ,
से
हाँ.
being like this.
हाँ.
But nutrition as in I eat everything whatever I get.
Everything,
It's
okay.
just
हाँ.
I'm a vegetarian, pure
Okay.
vegetarian. But
हाँ.
it's just that before my runs, if I know I have this week I have a run, so
Uh-huh.
I'll take an extra care.
Uh-huh.
Like in the sense, we don't eat fried or all those food, junk food we don't eat. But then again, ठीक है थोड़ा ध्यान और ज़्यादा रखें. But extra water, extra carbs, extra protein. That's
आप लोग वेट लिफ्ट भी करते हो आप?
Yeah,
We
absolutely.
do
Strength training is very important.
Very,
If you're
very
running.
important for runners.
हाँ हाँ, how many
we
times
do.
in a week?
Almost
3 to 4
three is
times.
minimum.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
You people go to the gym.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then running as well.
You follow nutrition also?
Yeah,
we do follow
it's a
nutrition.
part.
Yeah.
And it's very
Hydration, protein,
Uh-huh,
carbs,
uh-huh.
healthy fats. So
Uh-huh.
everything becomes a part of the diet.
तो आप लोगों को क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे, आप लोग जो एक्सरसाइज तो करना चाहता है लेकिन करता नहीं है क्योंकि आलसपन होता
करना
है, वो
चाहिए।
आलस करता है, नहीं करना
बहुत जरूरी है
Register
जिसमें
for a race,
Uh-huh.
and then you'll automatically start preparing.
Absolutely,
That is
absolutely.
one best
So,
thing.
yeah, you
Uh-huh.
register for a
But
race.
there is one beautiful thing that it leads to our mental fitness as well. With this running, we somehow get, I mean, so much of mental strength with this running as a byproduct, you can say, to deal with the life as well. So that is one big thing.
So many times, you know,
Huh.
you're so stressed
Right.
and you're out for a run
And
with
it's
your
such a
friends.
beautiful stress buster.
Absolutely, it's such so much a stress buster. And सच्ची लोगों को actually निकल के बाहर आना चाहिए और दौड़ना चाहिए और देख एक बार एक रजिस्टर करे, चाहे वॉक कर ले। I tell my friends also,
हाँ।
एक बार कहते मैं अंजुम तू तो पागल हो गई है, छोड़ देती, अब 60 साल की होगी, अब क्या करेगी? मैंने कहा यार ये है तो मैं जिंदा हूँ, जिस दिन ये नहीं थी होगा। You know, I have a frozen shoulder, I have various other problems, but running is the only thing which has actually, you know,
Saved
kept
us.
me.
Right.
Last 2 weeks back, we all know I had fainted while running.
Oh.
I was badly dehydrated. I was put on drip.
Mhm.
But today, when I did 7.5, although I was supposed to do 28, but I couldn't do it. Because probably I'm not fully recovered. But I'm feeling so much better, so much better. Where I know Monday onwards, definitely we'll be able to do much more.
She's an inspiration for all of us.
Oh,
And
yes,
yeah,
of
if you want to
course.
start running, then start with the community. Join a community. A community always keeps you on your, you know, inspires you, motivates you.
And she runs 40 kilometer
Yeah,
full marathon, right?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So,
And a podium finisher
Aja, aja,
maximum
aja.
time.
But you know, at times, you know, when we are not feeling good or you know, just dealing with life, this thing only helps us. We know we have to go out and run.
yeah.
That's the thing. Yeah, that's a mantra.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am.
you.
God bless you. Good luck. Have a nice weekend.
You also, you too
Okay.
have a good weekend.
I'm a fitness coach. I interview people for the awareness in our community, and yeah, that's what I do.